Hi, I'm Peter, and this is how to install kickboards. Let's get into it. Kickboards are the final touch that give your kitchen that built-in look, covering the feet and space beneath. Installing them is a straightforward DIY job that makes a big difference to the overall finish of your kitchen. Start by measuring the length of each kickboard you'll need, then mark the cut lines on the back of the panels. Most kickboards come in standard sizes, so you will usually need to trim them to fit. To make the cut, use a circular saw or a drop saw. Next, check if the flooring is level. If it's not, you may need to plane the kickboards to suit. Measure from the bottom of the cabinet to the floor every 200 millimeters or so. If you find any spots under 145 millimeters, transfer those measurements onto the back of your kickboard. Draw a line across as a guide for planing. Clamp the kickboard securely, then carefully plane it along the marked line. If the floor varies a lot, adjust the depth of the planer as needed to get a smooth, even result. If your kickboard run is longer than one piece, you'll need to join pieces together. Use a small offcut of timber or kickboard as a backing brace and screw it to the back of the panels. Position the join beneath the cabinet rather than in front of the feet. That way, the offcut can sit neatly without interfering with the cabinet feet. Now it's time to install them. Measure from the front of your base cabinets to 50 millimeters. This setback is standard for most base cabinets, while 70 millimeters is typical for pantry cabinets. Push the kickboard into place, then pre-drill and screw through the cabinet base into the kickboard using 28 millimeter screws. For a neat sealed finish, especially in high traffic areas, you can run a bead of silicone along the bottom edge where the kickboard meets the floor. And that's it. Installing kickboards is a simple way to give your kitchen that professional finished look. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides on how to DIY your kitchen.